Hey there YouTube. So we got this 2006 Honda CR-V out here, and the driver's side headlight is burned out. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how to remove that headlight and replace it, and we'll make sure it works after. So first thing you want to do is open that hood. Pop the hood with the little latch on the inside there. You just want to hit the lever under here. It's right there, and then you prop the hood. So now with the hood up, we have the headlight here. This one is not working. Over to this side. This one is working. So we're dealing with the driver front here. So right back here, you can see where this wire right there goes into this boot. So that boot is where the headlight lives. So what we're going to do is remove that boot, remove the harness by just pulling away, and then that will expose the headlight. Alright, here's the top-down view right here. So we're just going to reach down here, and I'm going to pull this rubber boot off. After the rubber boot is pulled off, we have this harness here. Just pull the harness away, and you can set that off to the side. Inside here, there's a spring-loaded clip. I'll see if I can get a shot of that real quick. Alright, there you go. You can see that spring-loaded clip right there. So I'm just going to reach my hand down in here, and you're just going to push that top lever in, and out, just like that, and it will release the bulb. You can reach your hand down in there and remove the bulb then. And there we go. So we'll go ahead and get the new bulb out now. If you could, please take a second to scroll down and put a like on my video, and also throw a subscribe on my channel. Alright, so here's the old bulb that we took out, and here's the new bulb we're putting in. This bulb that we're doing is the H1. So this actually here is a little housing that we actually pulled this out of. A little stubborn, but it works. So it just fits right in there. So let's go and open up this package. Now you don't ever want to touch the bulb, because if you touch the bulb, your oils from your hand can get on it and cause it to short out faster. There you go, just push it down inside there. Now with the bulb securely fastened inside this little holder, we can go and put the bulb back in. Now performing this the same way you took it out, just going to put that bulb back in. I'm going to do this off camera because it's a little bit tough to fit it in here with where I have the camera positioned. Alright, you can see there I went ahead and put the bulb back in there. I'm just going to reach down here and grab this little clip, swing it up. That's going to secure it in. Alright, I have it hooked now, and now it's secured. And then, so just plug in the harness just like this. There we go. And then put the boot back on. And there we go. Alright, with the new headlight in, we're going to turn on the ignition, and we got the headlight working on this side and on this side. So if this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.